So very good morning children. So today as we are having tomorrow the English exam, we will just revise all the bits right from the first bit. So you all have copied the meanings. I have asked you to copy in your classwork which we have picked from each lesson. Okay, we'll read all the meanings, words and the meanings. Pleasantest, happiest, countryside, scenery of a village, shy, quiet, monitor, watch, monitor, watch, specialist, a person who is very good at something, specialist, a person who is good, very good at something, couple, two people or things, messy, dirty, fed up, tired of something, fed up, tired of something, messy, dirty. Next, kidding, joking, kidding, joking, faint, fall down because of weakness, because of weakness, mimic, copy, breach, a gap, sage, a very wise person, disciple, a student, intelligent, quick at learning. Learn all these meanings. I'll repeat once again. Pleasantest, happiest, countryside, scenery of a village, shy, quiet, monitor, watch, specialist, a person who is very good at something, couple, two people or things, messy, dirty, fed up, tired of something, kidding, joking, faint, fall down because of weakness, mimic, copy, breach, a gap, sage, a very wise person, disciple, a student, intelligent, quick at learning, intelligent, quick at learning. So we have finished the first bit. Now we will go to the second bit. Write two rhyming words. Okay, write two rhyming words and you have to refer for this textbook page number 9. So in that textbook page number 9, the words are given and the two rhyming words for the given word are also given. So practice textbook page number 9. So for each bit I have given the textbook as a reference. So you have to learn this. Okay. Swing, thing, ring. Only two you have to learn. Blue, glue or clue. Wall, all, call. Wide, side, ride. Green, seen, been. Brown, down, on. So you have to learn for the second bit textbook page number 9. Second bit, learn textbook page number 9. Next one, rewrite the sentences using the opposites of the underlined words. So, when we have done the revision, I have given all the textbook page number. Once again, I am repeating those. So, it is textbook page number 10. So, what you have to do? You have to write the underlined words. Okay? You have to write the opposite of the underlined word. That is textbook page number 13, textbook page number 13, you have to write the opposite of this underlined words. Mohandas was the youngest of the 4 children. Opposite of youngest, eldest. Mohandas was not bright. Bright opposite, dull. His books were his own companions. Companions means friends. Opposite of friends is enemies. Never, always. Displeased, pleased. So learn third bit, textbook page number 13. Third bit, textbook page number 13 you have to learn for third bit. Now fourth bit, match the words in the A column with the column in the B. Yes, write the phrase in the answer this column. So that is textbook page number 15. Textbook page number 15 will be the fourth bit. So what you have to do? You have to match this word to this word and write the answer here. Make up one's mind. Keep in touch. on the dot. Cup of tea. Take it easy. It is a deal. So you have to match these words and write the answer in the answers column. So it is about fourth bit. Learn this for the fourth bit for the exam. Next one is fifth bit. Write the opposite words. Okay, write the opposite words. It is textbook page number 23. We have finished fourth bit. We are in third bit. Write the opposites here. What are the opposites? Only few are there. This is bit number 5. Rude, kind. Quietly, that is quickly, slowly. Weak, strong. Common, rare. Sorrow, joy. Narrow, wide. Okay, I'll repeat. Rude, kind. Quickly, slowly. Weak, strong. Common, rare. Sorrow, joy. Narrow, wide. So these all you have to learn opposites for the fifth bit is the opposite. Next bit we will go to the sixth bit. Choose the correct word from the brackets and fill in the blanks. Textbook page number 23. Okay, this is sixth bit. Okay, you have to use the correct word from the bracket and fill here. My little dog is very dear to me. I don't dare to leave it alone on the road. Amul brought. So brought means purchasing. Brought a new bag to the school today. His uncle bought it for him. Okay? He brought and he bought. We should take care of our teeth. Dental problems take a long time to cure. The bracket words are given. You have to use them in the right place. He has grown a beard and worn a gown. He is fooling people saying that he is a sadhu. Naina is my best friend. She likes watching the beauty and the best. So, use the correct word from the bracket, that is textbook page number 23. Next bit will go, rewrite the sentences using inverted commas. So, you have to use the inverted commas here. That is textbook page number 24. So, it is about the seventh bit. Preetham asked, where is the nearest hotel? Preetham asked, put the comma here, open the inverted comma here and write where is the nearest hotel. Put the question mark and then close the inverted comma and put the full stop. The teacher said, we shall start a new lesson. The teacher said, comma, inverted comma is open. We shall start a new lesson. In the same way, you have to write all these sentences. Refer textbook page number 24 for the seventh bit. Practice all this, how to open the inverted commas and close them. And after writing, you have to put a full stop. And after writing, see here, mother said, you have to put a comma here. And later, you have to open an inverted commas. Practice this textbook page number 24. Then the next one is the eighth bit. What is the eighth bit? Choose the correct pronoun and fill in the blanks. That is textbook page number 28. Open textbook page number 28. So these words you have to select it from the bracket and use it correctly. There is something on your shoulders. Anything or something. You have to use something. Why are you angry? Did you do something wrong? Anything? No, it is something. Somebody has stolen my book. Nobody will not come. You have to write here somebody. Jane helps almost everybody in the village. Hira did not know anybody there. Okay? Then the sixth one here. There is someone at the door. Everyone stood up when the principal came in. I will send someone to call. Hurry. So we have finished the eighth bit. Now we are going to the ninth bit. What is the ninth bit here, children? You have to fill in the blanks with the joining words. Okay? That is textbook page number 29. I have written already, I have marked here, and I am giving the revision thrice of, isn't it? Payal is a smart girl, but she talks too much. Use the right words here. Or is there, but is there, and. There was a bench and bench. There was a bench and frogs slept on it. The frogs can hop, but they cannot fly. To reach Delhi, you may take a flight or a train. An option is there. Use or. I knocked at the door and went into the room. My mother, that is, mother bought the cake but forgot the candle. You can go to the office and ask for more details. Jaya has a flute and she plays it well. Use the correct joining words, that is the 9th bay textbook, page number 29. Now, next we'll go write the plurals of the following words. That is 40 textbook page number we will refer. Page number 40. Here are the plural forms. Okay, man, men, mice, that is mouse, mice, goose, geese, child, children, foot, feet, ox, oxen. Okay.